Hey guys, look what the wind blew my way. It's a frame. It's a rotten frame. No, we're not gonna try to repair it. Let me show you a little bit more and you will see why. So, okay. So that's the bottom of the frame. So obviously we don't wanna repair it and we don't need it as a frame, but I have another idea about it. So that's David's actually. That came from his TR250, Mr. Chef Tash. And the reason I got it from him is because I'm thinking of utilizing the front end only up to here somewhere. If I cut it, that makes a perfect engine stand for tests. So I can put an engine on it and run it and test it, because I have an engine that I'm rebuilding currently and I'd like at the end to do the break-in, but I don't have a car for it. So I think that's the perfect solution. We're just gonna chop it here and there. The front end is pretty solid. It only has a problem right here, but I'm not even sure that I need these supports here. I'm thinking just of cutting them off completely. And that's it. The rest I'm gonna cut in smaller pieces so I can take them to the side of the road. I'm sure it's gonna be gone in half an hour. Every time I put metal outside, they come and pick it up like right away. So yeah, that's the idea. Let me get crack-a-lacking on it. All right, so we cleaned it more or less, and I sprayed it with this degreaser so we can try and get rid of all the oils and grease that's remaining there. So I'm gonna let it sit for 10-15 minutes, and then we're gonna wash it one more time with the power washer, and then we're gonna let it dry. Then we're gonna rust convert it, and we're gonna leave it for now because I have other projects to do today, but I want to rust convert it because the process is taking time. Okay, so it's as clean as it could be. I even removed some of the paint with the power washer. Whatever is there is just gonna stay there. And here are some treasures that we found in different cavities. So sorry, Chef Tash, these are not coming back to you. I can use these, they don't look too much, they don't look damaged. My white frame, eh? Never seen a white frame before, so. So anyways, it's mounted. For now it's sitting here on this box of wood, but once I mount the rear plate, the flywheel and the clutch, I'm gonna move the whole thing forward, so this rail is gonna sit somewhere here. Here we're gonna mount a radiator and everything, so that's gonna stick out, and we're gonna have more room here for the transmission to be a little bit on the cart. Like most of it is gonna be over the dolly, so we're gonna be able to put support under the transmission just like it is in a real car. So it's gonna be fine. For now it is on wheels, but when the time comes to start it, probably I'm gonna put it on blocks of wood so it doesn't take off on us. So yeah, that's it for now. This is where we're gonna leave it because this engine, as you can see, is still not ready to be started. But when the time comes, I'm gonna show you how well this setup works. I'm pretty happy with how much effort I put in it. It was just cutting it, cleaning it and painting it. So yeah, didn't take much time. So anyways, stay tuned and you're gonna see more about it in the near future. Say bye, Rusty. Say bye. You see? Say bye. Okay. He said bye.